Client services relates to the life cycle layout of all the systems that an accounting firm needs to deliver the services that they offer as an accounting firm. Now this means that all of the CountGPS content that you need to deliver these systems or services have been laid out according to where your client is at this point of the engagement. So very early in their life cycle, we want to get their structure right from the very beginning. So this is where we'll find our business structure documentation. Off the back of that structures, all of our compliance works and obligations will come by nature, because that's the bonus or benefit of having a good solid foundation. Our personal services, this relates to looking after the individuals behind the businesses, so that at some point we can get these businesses to a mature position whereby we can apply profit improvement strategies, or give them some future direction about where the business is heading with a business plan, or do some coaching work with them and drill down into certain key drivers or limitations to growth using our business strategy sparks. So that at some point we've got an opportunity to give our clients options to either succeed their business or to one day go ahead and sell their business. So I'll give you a quick example on the live website of what a typical system on CountGPS looks like. When you click on any one of the links on the CountGPS client services page, you'll get an at-a-glance view of all the individual tools that you need to take these individual jobs to completion. So you'll get all the client forms, information gathering forms in our marketing materials, and also the work papers that we need to take this job to completion. Simply click on the link and that will open up in Excel on your computer. So the at-a-glance view is perfect for your senior partners and directors who know exactly what they're looking for. They can simply download the work papers and start doing this job. But remember, the whole basis of GPS is systemizing your firm, so all the growth and profit doesn't depend on your senior accountants and partners and directors doing everything. So that's why we've been able to translate all these individual tools into a step-by-step procedure that systemizes the way you deliver all of your advice and services as a firm. So now if you're in a supervisory position, you can delegate these services out, the delivery of these services, to junior accountants and accountants from other firms who have come on board, and they can follow the step-by-step procedure and come to the same outcome as you would have if you were the partner or director, as if they would have done it themselves. So let's give a brief example of the content that's available and the superiority of it. We're an accounting firm here based in Brisbane, 20 years experience in the industry, and so we've built simple checklists that always keep the end user in mind. So simple one pages that cover all the information we need to, so that we're setting up our accountant, putting them in an environment or an opportunity in which they can actually do the job in the time required. So when you click on the link, say for example a tax planning report, the GPS report will open up and we can simply go ahead and apply our firm's branding to this document, and it'll look $1 million for your clients. What we're trying to achieve with the GPS content is, rather than you spending 4 or 5 billable hours in getting the structure right, getting the content of these reports and making it look very professional, ready to deliver to our clients, just simply download it from the CountGPS website, apply your professional knowledge to the areas in red, and go ahead and deliver this job to your clients. The sooner we can get these compliance works out of the way, then the easier it is for us to use the marketing materials that are available on GPS to sell or offer the other services that we offer as an accounting firm. Some of our higher level works that we're able to do using the CountGPS system can be found in our business valuation, our business planning opportunities. So now what we're trying to achieve is complete the compliance works in the most efficient time possible, or if need be, delegate this out to your junior team members. So now the partners and principals are in a position to offer, or to be in a position to deliver these high value works, such as the business valuations and succession planning that you can do on GPS. In relation to the work papers that we have on GPS, we simply will apply our professional knowledge to the client's circumstances. We may have an individual with some investment income and also rent of property, and these tabs will open up below, so we can just simply go ahead and apply our professional knowledge and complete this job in the most efficient time possible. Our checklists enable us to have an at-a-glance view of all the processes we need to go through and make sure they're ticked off, and also include hyperlinks to certain key source documents as attached. So very useful to have the most efficient means of delivering these services to your clients so that your firm can focus on high value works as a whole.